Oh hey guys, Bike Spares Australia. We've got a Kawasaki 250R in for dismantle today. This one's been fairly crashed, unfortunately. It does start and run. Giving it a test ride around the workshop as well, around the workshop car park, and it does all drive okay. Obviously that the front suspension is a little bit funny. Push back a little bit, but as far as the engine and gearbox, everything feels really good in there. Motor is running. Done 13,000 Ks on this one. Cooling system's all intact as well. Like I said, this is the bad side. Damage all on the front end, so that will all be scrapped. Electrical and motor wise, that will be kept. Front rim is a little bit buckled. Back rim is straight on test ride, but we'll get that off and give that a spin as well. Fuel tank is good as well. Alright, all these parts will be listed on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, in the coming days. Thanks.